Hi guys, it's Renee. I'm going to bring you in on a new tour of my room. As you can see, I got some new furniture in here. The only thing that's out of place with color is my bookshelf, which I have scrapbook layouts and books down on the bottom shelf. Stampin' Up! Block sets that I was given. Rubber stamps, and then 2 sets of different blocks to put them on. Up here, I just have some empty boxes right now. I cleared them out. Excuse me. This one is full of different things from tourist attractions, the brochures and stuff that I'm going to be using. And then I recovered with contact paper this bookshelf. If you look closely, you can see my mistakes, but I'm okay with that. It's white. On the bottom shelf, I have, over here, I have some embellishments and a photo album and some books. Some more picture frames and photo albums down there. On this shelf, I have my Platinum 6 and my envelope case, and then some stamps for the round border thing from Stampin' Up! And then these are just supplies. Then I have my Go Press and Foil machine and my Creative Memories die cut machine, and then my embossing folder and my embossing machine. Up there, this plastic one is embellishments. This one, I have plastic bags to do power kits. And then this one is full of different scrapbook. And this one is photo album ones. And then my washi tape thing that needs to go. I don't like it. My next thing, I'm going to scoot back here so you can see it properly. This was brown, and I recovered it and made it white. Got all my cardstock. And then over here in the black case, I have a few paper pads, and then acetate and vellum and some other supplies. And then this is all my scrapbook paper. I broke down, well, some I broke down from paper pads, but these are different ones I've gotten from scrapbook.com and Creative Memories. Then up on top I have my pens, my markers, and then I have a jar full of pens. Over here, this is what is brand new in my scrapbook room. I'm trying to get back so I can see here. I got these from Michael's. I got them on sale. They were 50% off, and then I had a 25% off coupon. So it brought them under $50 a piece. Absolutely love them. These are all the scrapbooks I'm laying out. These are my power kits. And if you don't do power kits, you need to. I can do a layout in like 25 minutes. No joke. This container has all of my enamel dots and stuff in here. They're all in there. And then this blue one underneath it is all my journaling cards. This drawer here has got my Distress inks, my Perfect Pearls, my gilding flakes, and some paints and stuff, and mica powder. This drawer has my twine and a few other things, plus my tags. This drawer is nothing but ribbon, and I really brought this one down from what it was. In the old container, it was 2 drawers full, and I brought it down to 1. The next drawer is just some backup supplies and some embellishments I was working on, and brads that I no longer use. I need to get those out of here. Then I got my Tim Holtz, oh my goodness, what is it called? Airmail. I couldn't remember the name of that one. Then my cling wrap and my wax paper. Beside it is my Martha Stewart scoreboard. I gotta move my scrapbook out of the way. And then my iris cart, iris tray thing. That is packed full of layouts that I've already finished. This drawer is nothing but my paper pads that I have broken down and cut up and stuff to use for other layouts. This one is nothing but cardstock. This drawer is all my embossing powder, and a relative of mine had passed away, and I was given 90% of those. I think I bought maybe 6 of those packs, and the rest were all given to me. And I keep forgetting to use it. My next drawer is nothing but my Decafoil, and that can be used with my Go Press and Foil machine. And this drawer is some more Decafoil and some glitter and stuff. My last drawer, we'll start on the bottom on this one. My distress inks, my colored pencils, some wood embellishments. And the next one is all of my stickers and embellishments. And the next one is more stickers and embellishments. I never knew I had so many until I got these cabinets and got them put together, and yeah, they were scattered all over. This is nothing but my Alpha stickers in there. And then this one I have my wet wipes and my perfect pearls and stuff. Then this case I also got a few years back from Michael's. And this one I have my finger daubers and some markers. And this one is my cameras that no longer work. I'm having to use my phone today to film this. And then this one is all my glitters and sequences, and I got them broke down into different packages. This one is nothing but my 3x5 and a couple of 6x6 paper pads. This top thing up here is nothing but my dies for my Platinum 6. Then we'll move over to my table. I gotta move my chair out of the way here so I can show you properly. That silver tray thing I got at a flea market for like $3 or $4. It wasn't very much at all. I have my label maker and some gel pens on there and a few flat backs, I think it is, up in there. Then I got my wood veneers in one of these. I have some of them divided. I always have it sitting on my desk so I don't forget to use them. Then I have my Cricut and my ATG, which I fight with half the time. And then I was given this shelf, and I put all of my mists and sprays and stains and paints up there. And that works good because it's right above where I sit on my desk. Then my decorative scissors, I bought the whole pack of them from Hobby Lobby a few years back for like 12 bucks. It was on sale. Move my Fresca out of the way here. Some Alpha punch outs that I got, and these are all my pictures that I have to do. And then my little vase, I guess it is, that I have. I have my go-to tools in here that I use the most, and I put those in there. And then I have a small coffee cup with my glue and stuff like that. And some embellishments. And then next to it I have my container full of things from, I got that black case from Amazon. And I have it labeled with all the different colored embellishments I have in there. Like, oh, that one's empty. I finally used that one up. My blue. I'm not doing a very good job taping this one here. Just different embellishments that I have. And then I have a bunch of flowers and butterflies on the sides. And then my copy machine. And then I have my Raskog cart right beside me. And this, I filled up the top with all my glues and adhesives that I use. That's on the top. The next one, I have my bucket full of my paintbrushes, my gessos, my heat gun, and I think, yes, and my chalks over here on the side. The bottom has my my paints. I can't see what else is under there. Oh, my brushos and I forget the name of these. Flocking powders. I only have 4 colors. I have pink, blue, white, and red. And then I kept one of the plastic containers, and the top drawer has all my punches. And the next drawer, all my punches are in here. Oops, something's caught in there. All my different punches. I don't have very many of those. Then my, some more punches I couldn't fit in the top drawer. And then my crinkle machine. This drawer is packed full of cards that I can do up, and I haven't gotten into that yet. My paints. And then some backup supplies on my paper, or not my paper, my towels, and glues, and my foam tape. And then I'm going to bring you around over here. Excuse me again. I have one more plastic container. These do not fit my iris containers in it, so I kept one. And I have all my embellishments in here, and then I labeled them, what color they were. There's pink, orange, gold, yellow, all those standard colors. And then I got one that I got from Nicole Jones 911. It's all on COVID-19 and coronavirus. And her and her son made up a kit that has nothing to do with just the coronavirus things, like essential workers, movie night, curbside pickup, 6-foot barrier between us, my doilies, and some few more cards, my cutting machines, and then my gum that I love to chew, and some plastic bags. And the bottom drawer has the rest of my iris containers. And these ones are like leaves and things to do with travel and nature and buildings, stuff like that. And I just break them up into different containers and fill them up. And I think that's the end of my video. Let me see if I can turn this around here. Nope. All right. Thank you for watching. It's not a very big craft room, but it works perfect for me. I'm sitting in my chair right now, and I can literally turn my chair around and get to anything and everything. My chair is in the middle of my room right now. Oh, and then up here, those are all layouts that I've finished in the iris container, and above it, that I haven't got a scrapbook to put them in yet. I haven't had time to go and pick one up. But there's 2 or 3 years worth of pictures, scrapbook layout pages that I've done. But I don't have a book to put them in yet. So they're just stacked up on top there. And then that's a basket I just emptied. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you soon for some scrapbook layout pages. Thank you. Bye for now.